Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notifications on the Amazon application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the menu icon down below, which is the last option. And now you should scroll down till you find the settings option. Tap on it and click on notifications. As you can see, you can get notified about the important message alert. So simply tap on it in order to turn it on. You can also get notifications about shipment when your package ship and arrives. Then you can also tap on the personalized notifications button, so you will receive recommendations based on your shopping activity. If you tap on this, you will be able to select your watched waitlisted deals. That's also a notification option. And you can also get helpful links while you shop with Alexa. So you can turn on Alexa shopping notifications and also receive updates from customer questions and answers, reviews, follow, and more. So you should tap on the community notifications. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.